Welcome back to another VPN video. If you are in China or outside of China and you want to use Shadowrocket but you don't have payment option to buy the Shadowrocket app on macOS and iPhone, then this video is for you. I'll teach you how you can use Shadowrocket app without installing any app. And I will guide you step by step how to get the subscription, import a profile, use the fast speed internet no matter you are in China or outside. Those who have been using Shadowrocket in the past, they know that this app is paid and not everybody has payment method to get this only $2 or $3 app. So what to do in that case? Open Chrome browser and go to this link and register with your email account, and the initial coupon code is already added. It is 90% discount. Remember, this code is for the first time purchase. Link is in the description. If you want to renew, then you will use another code that I will describe in the video. After registering, log in. Once you log in, you will see this dashboard. First, you need to buy a subscription. With the initial code, you already got discount. And if you go to Connect to VPN, you will see Connect to VPN and here is your data. It means you already got 60 GB free data on first purchase. Now go to purchase subscription and choose any package. I recommend you choosing a bigger one. It has no devices limit. You can use it on Android, Windows, iOS, macOS, iPad, or any other Android phone. Or just subscribe now and code Attiquestic 8 for further 20% discount. And remember, you can renew subscription anytime with this coupon code and any package that is available on this website. Go to verify. And you see 131 is already gone. So after subscription, you can stay on this tab, Connect to VPN, or you can go to knowledge based, go to iOS tutorial, and this dedicated video is on my channel. I will leave the link in the description, and also you will see this video in the end screen of this video. So make sure you follow all these instructions. Now go to Connect to VPN. And here are different options. If you already have Shadowrocket, you can simply import that link to your Shadowrocket app. But if you don't have, just go to iOS user connection, iPhone and iPad. Click on that. It will open this window. Just copy this link, open your Safari browser and paste now. You will see this link and now a file downloaded. That is here. Right click and show in Finder. Here is a profile. You will see that downloaded with this link. Now go to Setting and click on General, go to Device Management, and here you will see two options, plus and minus. Just go to plus icon. Here is the profile you recently downloaded. Open it, install, give your passcode. You are done here. Now go back to VPN, and you will see this profile here. Now simply connect. Voila, you are connected. But you don't know which server you are connected, which country you are connected to. It's America, Canada, whatever. For that, you need to go back to your Safari browser. There you can also change your proxy node or country or location. Simply type here 6.6.6.6 and hit enter. So here we go. It is showing my email, remaining data, and the expiry date. You can always go to this translate option, translate to English, and all the details are now in English. Here, you can change the server. For example, right now I'm connected to United Kingdom. I can choose from the list. There are so many proxies, and I recommend you connecting to the nearest place. If the distance between you and the server is far, then there might be issues sometimes related to speed. So you can connect anywhere. Now, if I want to just check my IP address and the server I'm connected with, just go type what is my IP.com, and look, I'm connected to United Kingdom, Great Britain. If you change the server here, it will change the IP address as well. One more last important thing. This VPN works without the app as I described in the method, and the other important thing is this is global. It simply means you want to use it in America, Canada, Nigeria, Australia, wherever you want to use, you can use it without any problem because this one is global. There are so many other clients and nodes. They are claiming that these nodes and proxies work outside of China, but actually that is not true. So this one is working. So congratulations, have internet freedom. If you want to watch the same process for iOS, iPhone, iPad, then watch this video. And if you want to join my Telegram group for any technical assistance, then here is the group. There you can reach out to me. I'll see you in the next video and take care.